In this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem on TikTok. Select two objects that are the same. Maybe most of the people face to face with this problem. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube channel. Okay guys, to solve this problem, you should select two same number like 2 and 2. When you select two same number, click on the confirm. Now wait a minute to open another sheet. Okay friends, from here also select two same number like F and F. When you select two same number, click on the confirm. Also you should wait to confirm another number. Okay friends, as you see here is two same number also. From now you should select also two same number like all and click on the confirm. Wait a minute and will open your TikTok account and you can use your TikTok account and your problem will solve. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful for you.